Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Life is Easy with Biology. Let's begin with the very first chapter that is there in your syllabus of 12th standard, Sexual Reproduction in Flowering Plant. Students, before studying any chapter, you must understand the terms that are present in the chapter. Fine. So first of all, before studying this, you need to understand what is reproduction. Okay. So reproduction is the biological process by which an organism give rise to young ones similar to itself. ये ऐसी एक प्रक्रिया है जिसके द्वारा एक जीव अपने जैसे ही एक दूसरे जीव का निर्माण करता है. ठीक है. Types of reproduction. There are two types of reproduction. One is the asexual reproduction and the other one is sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction, when offspring is produced, okay, when offspring is produced by a single parent with or without the involvement of gamete formation, the reproduction is asexual. Whereas when two parents, यहाँ पे एक सिंगल पेरेंट था, यहाँ पे टू पेरेंट्स अपोजिट सेक्स, मेल एंड द फीमेल, participate in the reproductive process and also involve fusion of the gametes, then it is called sexual reproduction. Okay. Then events involved in sexual reproduction. There are 3 events that are involved in sexual reproduction. These are pre-fertilization event, fertilization and post-fertilization event. Pre-fertilization event, जितना भी स्टेप या प्रोसेस फर्टिलाइजेशन के पहले होता है, प्री मतलब प्रायर, बिफोर, वो सारे स्टेप या प्रोसेस प्री फर्टिलाइजेशन इवेंट के अंदर आते हैं. फर्टिलाइजेशन स्टेप में फ्यूजन ऑफ गैमीट्स टेक्स प्लेस, दैट इज द मेल एंड द फीमेल फ्यूजेस, द गैमीट फ्यूजेस टू फॉर्म द zygote. Fine. And in the post fertilization event, all those steps come that is after fusion of the gamete. Okay. So in pre-fertilization event, for fusion of the gamete must be formed. अगर यहाँ पे fusion हो रहा है gamete का, तो gamete बने भी होंगे. ये gamete कब बनते हैं? Pre-fertilization event में. This step is called gametogenesis. Genesis, the meaning of genesis is formation. The meaning of formation. The meaning of genesis is formation. Fine. तो गैमीट बने. कैसे गैमीट बने? एक मेल बने और एक फीमेल बने. Now in the gamete transfer, these two gametes that are formed will now meet. Okay, meet. In case of flowering plant, gamete transfer takes place with the help of the process called pollination. Fine. We will study this, students. Do not worry. In the step of fertilization, fusion, I told you fusion of the gamete take place. Male and the female gamete fuses to form the zygote. Whereas in post-fertilization event, formation of seed from the ovule and fruit from the flower takes place. Fine. Now, students, you must understand that in case of flowering plant, the site of sexual reproduction कहाँ पे होता है? ये sexual reproduction होता कहाँ है flowering plant में? The site, okay, or the place of sexual reproduction is the flower. Now, why flower? ऐसा क्यों है कि फ्लावर को रिप्रोडक्टिव सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन का साइट कहा गया? इसलिए कहते हैं क्योंकि बोथ मेल एंड द फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन, okay, that is the andrecium, male reproductive organ in flower is called andrecium, and the female reproductive organ, that is the gynecium, both are present in the flower itself. So it is the site of sexual reproduction. Fine. Now, in the reproductive part, okay, reproductive part of the flower, you will see that the male is called the andrecium and the female is called gynecium. The andrecium is made up of stamens, consists of stamens, which are further composed of anther and filament, whereas the gynecium is also made up of pistil or carpel, which is composed of stigma, style and ovary. Fine. So we will study about all this in detail, the structures, about how the pollen grains are formed, how they are transferred, and everything in my next video. Step by step we'll move further. Till then, stay tuned, stay connected, Be happy, keep shining, keep studying, students. Thank you for watching the video. And if you like this video, do like, comment and subscribe to my channel.